From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on crypto with LALATE, with strange happenings as a Sunday into a Monday unfolds. We'll go over the top cryptocurrency picks of 2021, the coins you should buy. We'll be going over the live stream of the top cryptocurrencies across the board. We'll be looking at Doge's live stream, Phantom, Cardano, Polygon, also Aave, Decentraland, SushiSwap, Bitcoin, and of course Ethereum, Phantom, and also Solana. It's a very strange day in which Sunday is usually down. We're usually down on Sunday coming into Monday, but guess what? Phantom and Solana are going to the moon on a Sunday. What? Yeah, after several coins did not deliver on their Saturday, which is their biggest day of the week, now they're now delivering on the Sunday. Okay, so what does that mean for Monday? Because Monday's usually up and Tuesday's usually down. We'll be looking at them, and we'll be looking at whether Bitcoin and Ethereum falling potentially near new resistance levels on the low end is troubling for the altcoins. I'll have everything for beginners and advanced in this recording. We'll be looking at Bitcoin. We'll be looking at Ethereum. Look at that. Big falls right across the board just to start. But we'll be looking at some of our other bull coins. I'll explain to you why they're bull coins. Solana and Phantom. Wow, look at that move right now. We'll be looking at some new faces like Cosmos. Boy, look at that one. Then Doge really in trouble across the board. We'll be looking at everything from Compound and SushiSwap to Decentraland. A lot of coins and a lot to cover. It's a big day with so much across the board. These and more, we'll be understanding why Doge is simply not finding its place where it needs to land and what could happen next for Doge. We'll be looking at Bitcoin and why that is resistance level is a very critical place across the board. We'll be looking at Ethereum as it floats back down lower. Boy, what a day it is, and we'll be going over all these coins and more. So with that, subscribe. A 400,000 YouTube record in 1 year. I want your father's incredible family, fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. Like the video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and become a member. This is one of two shows every day on this channel. Mornings Crypto every day live on air at 10 a.m. And then overnights Crypto starting at 3:45 p.m. Let's get to the details starting right now. It's a Saturday. It's a Sunday going into a Monday. You know what that means. You know that because you're a viewer of this channel. The cryptocurrency space universe just repeats the same daily occurrences every week. This is what usually happens. Monday's an up day. Tuesday's a bloodbath, very down. Wednesday and Thursday, just variable. Then Friday, generally flat, and then down by the end of the day. And then Saturday, from sunrise to noon, West Coast time, the highest price point of the whole week. That's where you want those big highs on that Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, downturns into Sunday, continue to downturn into Sunday evening. And then by about 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, Sunday starts to upturn. And then Monday, the second biggest highest day of the week. Now, the only version that is different of that is sometimes when things are moved 8 hours earlier. We had that 2 times in the last month, where everything on Saturday happened on Friday, everything on Sunday happened on Saturday. But what's going on right now? Very, very strange. You can look at it 2 different ways, and I'll give you my opinion. First, our Friday was up, our Saturday was flat or down, and now our Sunday is down for most coins, but a few are up. So one may say, well, maybe it's just 8 hours earlier, LA. Possible. I don't think that's the case. The other possibility is just we're in a very bad bear circumstance where our up days are not that up and our down days are more frequent. I think that is the case. Now, in this recording, I'm going to go over first the bull coins and then the bear coins. What is bull if you're an introductory viewer? Bull means coins that go up. They appreciate, meaning you buy it at $1, it's $10. You buy it at $1, it's $5. It goes up. It does not stay flat. It does not say flat at $1 for 3 months. That's bear. Bear means flat or down, meaning you buy something you're not making money on. You buy it at $1, it's still $1. You buy it at $1, it's 50 cents, then 25 cents. Nope, that means it's now going down. Bull versus bear, which of the bulls? Ethereum, Bitcoin. And then I put Solana, Phantom, Cardano sporadically in there. Yesterday, I made a very stern warning about Phantom. I said, if you don't start delivering again, I'm going to take you out of bull and put you in a bear, because Phantom has now, up to Saturday, was down for the 7-day. You're not down for a week and still be a bull coin. So let's look and see what the bulls are doing, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had big problems because it was starting to test resistance levels on the low end. But what is Bitcoin doing right now? Let's jump into the Bitcoin chart for a Sunday and see if it's testing new lower resistance levels. Well, trouble, because Bitcoin is red on a Sunday, which it should be. Started at $48,000. How low did Bitcoin get so far today? $47,200. Notice how it's at $47,200. It's like Bitcoin's watching me. It knows exactly why it's $200 above $47,000. Because guess what? You're watching this channel. You know $47,000 is a resistance level. It is. Let's put our mouse right in the chart. This is Gemini, one of the platforms. The chart is red because we're down for the 7. We're down on a 1-day chart. And we get right to the edge of 47,200 and we pull up. That's good. It's holding the resistance level at 4,700 because remember, 47,000 is resistance level. Next one below that is 44,000, then 42,000. Let's look at the 7-day chart. How does the 7-day chart show us on Bitcoin? Well, it shows it's testing that 47. It shows it got under that 47 in the last 7 days, but just barely. So that 47 is a very key resistance level. You see, over a 7-day period, it really has held it. Now, you're not looking back here because it ran up from the 44. 44, then 47. On the high end, we had that resistance level 50,000. What is resistance level? Let me explain that for you if you're a new viewer. Resistance level is something that prevents something from going higher or lower. For example, $2 won't go above $2. Stops at $1.90, stops at $1.80, stops at $1.75, won't go above $2. Let's go on resistance level on the low end. Resistance level low end, $1. Goes to 110, stops. Goes to 120, stops. Won't go below $1. Resistance levels are critical in cryptocurrency investing. Why? Unlike stocks, where we have financial data released every single minute of the day, whether it's from the units sold or the bookings or something coming out of the company every 10 seconds. You don't have that with crypto. So we have charts, which are very critical. And when you look at the chart, like we just did with Bitcoin, you saw it got to 47, stopped, got to 47, stopped. You see that's a resistance level. Now let's understand what resistance levels mean if you don't own Bitcoin, but you own something else like Doge or Aave. Bitcoin and Ethereum on this channel, as I've been reporting for the last 2 months, are doing the following for the altcoins, every other coin, is that when Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, they don't help altcoins. Altcoins do not go up because Bitcoin and Ethereum are going up. But when Bitcoin and Ethereum go lower, altcoins do go lower. And when do they go lower? Specifically when Bitcoin and Ethereum break through their resistance levels. So you see that 47,000 on a Sunday. Yeah. If we break that resistance level of Bitcoin on a Sunday for 47,000, your altcoins will go lower. They will see that. Everyone sees it. Everyone sees that as a resistance level. 44,000, not going to happen today. I mean, we hope not. If Bitcoin goes under 44,000, yes, your altcoins are going lower. What's Ethereum's resistance levels? Let's get into resistance levels on Ethereum because this is critical. Much easier on Ethereum than Bitcoin. Ethereum's resistance levels are $100 increments, and those are 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600. Well, what is Ethereum doing right now? Let's look at it. Ooh, that is low. So what has Ethereum done today? Started the day at 3,400. It has gotten as low as 3,300. Is now pulling up to 3,500. So it broke under the $3,400 threshold resistance level. It's staying above 3,300. So that's good. It's just like a Bitcoin that's staying above 47,000. Ethereum staying above 3,300. If Ethereum got to the edges of 3,200, you would be worried. How has Ethereum done over the last 7 days? Look at that. They're very fascinating. Here was resistance level 33. Here was resistance 33. It got to... did it get under 33? No. It is really testing that 3,300 resistance level. Now, it was lower this last 7 days, and that's why it's critical. When you're looking at Bitcoin, it is 47,000. When you're looking at Ethereum, it's 3,300 at the moment. If we get under 3,200 for Bitcoin, Ethereum, trouble. If we get under 44,000 for Bitcoin, trouble. All right, let's go to our other two bull coins, Solana and Phantom. Now, Solana has had a very great run, and it's so up at the moment, I would never take it out of bull classification because it just continues to deliver, even though it's been pulling back in recent days. So let's look at Solana right now, because guess what? Solana's having a very good Sunday. Yeah, so you can't really see it that well in this chart, but it is ticking up here at the end. I'll have more about Solana later. Phantom. Phantom must have been listening to me because I said, Phantom, you better start moving your butt because you are just doing horrible in the last few days. Phantom was down for the week going into yesterday. And I said, you can't keep on doing this. You're down on a Saturday and you're a bull coin. So Phantom started the day at $1.20 and has gone all the way up to almost $1.50. That's huge on a Sunday. Let's look at the 7-day. Is it up yet? No. So Phantom still has some room to improve because it got as low as $1.18. Now understand how high Phantom has been in the 1 month. Yeah, Phantom got all the way up to $2, running from just, 20, 30 cents. This is a great coin. Here's a new coin to look at. Cosmos. Have not covered on this channel. I may put it in the bull classification. Look at what Cosmos has done. This is just a huge, incredible run from 20 to about 40. It's doubling your money in just a few days. And then we get into our altcoins. So now let's start with our altcoins. Well, it's a Sunday. You expect coins to be down on a Sunday, but the problem is that they weren't up on Saturday. If you watch yesterday's recording, coins generally were down on Saturday. This is troubling because you want to deliver up on your up days because you're going to have a down day. And that down day is going to be Sunday and it's going to be Tuesday. But if you don't deliver on your Saturday or you don't deliver much up, then when comes Sunday, you're going to look at it, it's like, oh God, I got a hit on Saturday and a hit on Sunday. Now I'm really down for the 7-day. And here we go. Let's jump right into Doge, which was 31 cents before the last market crash, devalued all the way to 16 cents, then tried to push itself back up into the 31 cents, got it there a month ago. And since that 31 cents, for a blink of an eye, Doge has started to devalue and devalue and devalue. So where is Doge right now? It's going down on a Sunday. And how low is it going? Let's look at Doge, 23 cents. Boy, folks, it just keeps on getting worse. It started the day at 24, got as low as 23 right now. 7-day chart is going to be down. Here's the 7-day chart coming on in. There it is. 1 month chart, it's going to be down. Let's see the 1 month chart. There it is. 3 month chart, it's going to be slightly up because it has rebounded from a very low of 16 cents. Trouble with a capital T. Let's jump into Polygon. Polygon is a coin which we've covered on the channel since the beginning. It was an 80-cent coin during the last market crash, then came back to $1.50 a month ago, but it has not held. So it's down today. Let's look at the 7-day. Down for the 7-day. It got as high as $1.44, and now it's trying to test back into those $1.20. Is it at a resistance level right now? I think the resistance level is $1.33, yeah. So I think Polygon facing a resistance level right at the time of this recording. If it drops under $1.33, this could be question mark. What could be next? Because after that, then you're into the 120s as your next resistance level. Aave, one of the best coins there are. I say, if Aave gets cheap, buy it. And there was that opportunity. A few days ago, I said, hey, if Aave gets to 290-ish, grab it. And if you did, you got a nice pop. But what's happening today? We started the day at 355, got as low as 346. Let's look at the 7-day because this one's going to be an interesting one. Yeah. So look at this interesting 7-day. Aave got to about 310. That's where I said to buy it. It went all the way up to 400. So that's 30% appreciation of your investment in just 24 hours. Then it's slowly devalued. So at this point, you cannot be treating these coins any differently than they are. I'm going to show you this chart, and then I'm going to come back on camera and show you why you need to follow the advice I give you. I said do not buy and hold any altcoin at this point. I don't care what it is. I don't care how good it's doing. The longest you will be holding it is for a trading opportunity, which is a day and a half or 3 days. Well, guess what Aave did? It ran in 3 days from 300 to 400. If you had held it for 7 days, you have now lost 50% of that run. Yeah. So this is why it's critical. You cannot get greedy and think, oh, it's a change. Oh, we're doing something different. No. You absolutely need to stay on point. When Aave got cheap, I said buy it. But I didn't say buy it to hold it for 3 months or buy it to hold it for 7 days. You know that's going to be an equation for destruction, because Aave will give you a pop and then you'll take the profit and you'll get out. This is an example. If someone was greedy and bought it at 300 and then held it and say, hey, you know, I got 30% return in my investment in 3 days and keep on going. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. We had one event like that, and that was the anomaly event that happened 2 months ago. That was the only time since May that we had an anomaly event like that. It 99% of the time never happens. After 3 days, it's done. After 3 days, it's absolutely done, if not sooner. And anyone that held out after $400 to say it's going to go to 500, no, it's not going to go to 500. It's not going to go to 500. The market this is not that market. If you got that 30% pop, take it. Take the profit and do it again with this coin or another coin. And if you didn't, well, guess what? You are now at 345 right now. This run started at 340. You lost 60% of what you could have made a profit. You could have made $100. You could have made $100. You've now lost $60 of that $100 by being potentially greedy. If that was you, hopefully that was not you because you were watching the videos. All right, now let's go to the other coins that are similar and situated to Aave. And guess what? You're going to see actually a work circumstance, because Aave is a very good performing coin at the moment. Let's look at some other coins. That's Aave. Here we go. Is Compound. Compound down for the 1 day, down for the 7 day. If it comes up, there's a 7 day, and I think it's up for the month. Let's see, is it up for the month? No, now it's down for the month. Jeez, it just keeps on getting worse, doesn't it? Okay, is it up for the 3 months? Yeah, it's up for the 3 month. Okay, well, congratulations, you're up for 3 months. Where's that resistance level? It's clearly 380. If it gets under 380, where's the next resistance level? Boy, it could be in the 200s. It could be this one. It could be 340. Compound is just not doing well. I wouldn't go anywhere near it. I would trade it. I would trade it because, look, it just does the same thing. 400, 500, 400, 500. I mean, it does this consistent thing. Now, if you buy it at 300, don't presume it's going right to 500 right away. All right, let's jump into, there's Compound as well. Let's jump into Sushi Swap, which I really like. Sushi Swap is sort of a no-brainer, in my opinion. Sushi Swap is doing this 10-13, $10, $13, $10, over and over again. So this is a no-brainer. This is the 7-day chart, but I want to go to the 1 month chart so you see it. There you go. See, it's doing the same thing. 13, 12. No, let me go lower. 13, 11, 13, 10. How high did it go here? 15, and now it's going back down again. 11.99. So what would I buy on a Sunday night? Sushi Swap, of course. Of course, look at the 1 month chart on this Sushi Swap. It's so obvious. You buy Sushi Swap as low as you can buy it. 10, 10. I don't know if it'll go 9, but maybe $10.20, and then sell it at $13. It's going to do it again. It's done it over and over again. Can I go out further? Let's go out further. See if it's done more. Yeah, see how obvious this is? The good thing about Sushi Swap, it's not going to fall to $8. Unless there's some market event, like a market crash. It's just going to stay this 9 to 13, 9 to 13, 9 to 13. And you may get lucky and buy it at 10 and it goes to 15. That's what the last run of people got it. Imagine if you buy at 10 and it goes to $15. Well, guess what? It will. And then Bitcoin back again. Wow. So what should I say going into a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday? Again, altcoins Do not be buying them to hold them. You will lose your shirt. Do not do that unless it's a bulk coin. All your altcoins, you're buying and selling. You're day trading, which is in and out within 15 out within a day and a half, or you're flipping, which is in and out within less than 3 days. And you're wanting to take 20% or 30% profits, and that's it. You do not want to be greedy. You do not want to say, hey, I want 75%. It may happen sporadically, but rarely. Let's look at the rest of the market right now, and let's see how incredibly unusual the market is on a Sunday. We're going to go into coinmarketcap.com and go into split screen and see what coins are doing right now. Here is coinmarketcap.com. Let me go into the split screen and show you what the market looks like on a Sunday among the bulls and the bears, and here we are. Here's split screen. What does CoinMarketCap show us currently of the best performing coins on? Well, first of all, the market's down 2%. And Ethereum is down 3% today. Bitcoin is down 2%. Cardano is down 1%. Solana is down 3%. Very interesting. For the week, Bitcoin is almost flat. Ethereum is down. Cardano's down a lot, 14% for the week. Solana is now down for the week, down 11%. And let's look at the best performing coin today. Cosmos, there you go, up 11%. OMG, up 13%. Audio, which has had a very fascinating run, it's up 25% for the week. It's up 7% for the week, for the day. Phantom up 8% as well. It's interesting. They're your best performing coins today. What are the best performing coins for the 7-day? You're going to see a repeat of some of those names. Cosmos, the best performing coin of the last 7 days. There you go. It is up 30%, is the number one best performing coin for the day, best performing coin for the last 7 days. Audio, second best performing coin of the last 7 days, up 25%. Curvedeo, which I featured a lot on this channel, up 24% for the 7 days. Synthetic up 14%. Shiba actually up 16%. I don't know how. Up for nothing to a little bit less than nothing. So shady. Avalanche up 13%. What is the worst performing coin right today? SushiSwap. Interesting. This is why I love it. I always tell you to look at the worst performing coin because the worst performing coin may be the best performing coin the next day. SushiSwap's down 7% at 11.98. Guess what? I went it down to 10, and that is where it gets fascinating. It gets very interesting. All the rest of the coins, nothing we recognize really across the board. What's the worst performing coin over the last 7 days? Edmond, Harmony, Airweave, nothing we really follow on this channel. There you go. So let's go back into the main screen and let's prepare for Monday. You want to prepare for Monday because I think we're still downtrending. You saw those charts. They look like they're still downtrending, so we could get cheaper. The day is still young. Understand your opportunities for trading on a Monday or Tuesday are the following. Monday's generally an up day. Tuesday's usually a bloodbath. So if you're going in tonight on a position, then be ready to get out as soon as Tuesday's bloodbath happens. Remember, you're looking for a coin that may have the potential to go up another 15% or 20% in the next 24 hours or day and a half. If you see that, then get into that position, ride it. As soon as that position downtrends, get out. If it's still up, stay in that position and ride it as long as you could ride it while it's up and then get ready to get out. You have to be on those phones, on those computers to make sure you get that position. Meantime, join me in the overnight chat. I'll jump and answer all your questions and more that you may have about a particular coin. 2 shows per day. Mornings, crypto at live on air at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then overnight's crypto starting every day at 2:45 p.m. And with that, subscribe. 400,000 subscribers on YouTube record. I want you part of this incredible family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video, 2,000-3,000 likes. Sign up for those LA alerts, totally free. You want to go to news.la.com. Put your name and email address in there. You get an alert when anything goes live. My titles of my Bitcoin videos clearly indicate to you if something's happening, like a very strange Solana or Bitcoin event today. You'll get that alert, put your name and email address in, watch for the confirmation email, it may be in the spam folder, and then you're ready to rock and roll. Watch for Bitcoin, watch for the details. A lot of stuff happening across the board. Stay informed, stay